Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to add a countdown clock to your Instagram story. Alright, but before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. Amazon Prime is a membership program that offers many benefits, such as unlimited free 2-day shipping on all orders without any minimum sizes. You can instantly watch thousands of movies and TV episodes, and you also get exclusive shopping deals with discounted prices of up to 20, 15. I've seen all kind of discounted prices, okay? It's really great if you shop a lot on Amazon, okay? Now, back, and also I have their link in my video description, so click on my video description on the very top comment. You should see a link to this trial, all right? Back to Instagram. To add a countdown clock to your Instagram, it's pretty simple. Usually we first begin by, let's say, taking a video or a picture. So if I take a picture right here, okay, this menu will appear. Once this has appeared, look on the very top. Do you see over here this little square smiley face? Tap on that, and this menu comes up, okay? And if you look over here on the third row, do you see where it says countdown? Tap on that. Now you get this countdown sticker. Now you can start customizing, okay? You can start by naming it. Let's do end of May, okay? And then set the date, the end date or time. So when I tap over here, anywhere over here, just tap once, okay? It'll show me the date and I can put it for the end of May, okay? And for this, you go all the way to the end, you go all day. If you don't want it to be all day, you want it to end at a specific time, you click, you see here on the bottom where it says all day, it's on right now. To turn that off, just tap that right there. And now I have the option of ending it at a certain time on May 31st. I can do 4 p.m. like that. So now that I've set the end date, the last thing that you can customize is the colors. And if you look over here on the very top, you see this little color wheel. If you tap on it once, it changes like that. You can keep tapping it, you get different options, okay? Until you have found what you like, click on done, and you can move this around, make it bigger or smaller, flip it over, all of that, okay? Once you have satisfied with your countdown, just go ahead and click on send, and you can send it to your Instagram story. That's how you add a countdown clock to your Instagram story. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And definitely don't forget to check out my link for the free 30-day trial of Amazon Prime. Okay, you get many benefits with that. Thank you for watching.